what's up guys? Today I have 11 Pro Max and I'm going to show you how you can hard reset it without losing data. Now there are several different ways. Like I'll show you. If you go to in general and then you go to transfer or reset iPhone. Now if your phone is glitchy or is behaving weird, so what you can do is you can reset all settings. Okay, so once you reset all settings, that will reset your the phone settings to factory reset without losing any data. Okay, but it's not going to solve the software glitch. Now the other option you see at the bottom is erase all contents and settings. What that will do is that will delete all the data from your phone. Okay, and that way if some app is interfering with the phone which is causing freezing or lagging, the problem will be solved with that. But the method I'm going to show you, that in that way you can hard reset it and without losing any data. Let's say your phone is lagging, or it's sometimes what it does is there's a glitch in iPhone storage. If you go to storage, sometimes it takes forever to load, and sometimes it loads but it shows the wrong readings. So if you're facing like any glitch, that kind of, so what you can do is you can just try giving it a hard reset, and that should solve the problem. Now to give it a hard reset, your phone does not have to be plugged in into the charging port. All you have to do is quickly press and release volume up, okay, and then press and release volume down, which is right here, and then press and hold this side button or power button. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. So this is volume up, volume down, and then you just hold the side button, the power button. So you will see in a second the phone will turn off. You keep holding it, okay, until you see the phone will boot up. I mean, you see the apple, and then you let go. Once you see the apple, you can let it go and let it boot up. Now that kind of hard reset, it solves 99% of software problems. And before you connect with iTunes or through your tool and restore it completely, I would recommend you try this method. So that way you don't lose any data. All your pictures and apps will be there once you're done with the hard reset. And that's it for the day. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in next video.